so cute. Ah, it's just ah. And she's like this ray of sunlight. She's completely contrasts to me like darkness. She's just like
Stop, you're gorgeous.
the sky is kissing her, and it's just like this beam of light, this darkness. Hi Sassy Pants. Today we are going to, I always start like that. Today we're going to Detroit. Actually, it's like, I don't know if it counts as Detroit, but we're going to the riverfront something or other. It doesn't matter. Just know there's going to be pretty water. And there's a food truck festival. I've been talking about it all week. Like, Coachella is a big, awesome thing, and I want to go to and I want to experience it. I want to be there and live the Coachella life and do the glamour stuff. I'm using that vibe, that Coachella vibe, and I'm putting it toward the food truck festival because it's a 3-day event, but we're just going on today on Saturday. So there's supposed to be like over 100 food trucks, and we're gonna have to share. Like, I want to eat as much as I can. We bought outfits. We bought outfits for this day. Like, I'm doing the Coachella thing for a food truck festival, and you know, honestly, it's me. This is my Coachella. It's the food truck festival, and if this is awesome, because it said second annual, it seems like they're gonna do it every year. We're going every year. If I start dieting and do really good on my diet, that will be my cheat day. I will not eat junk food for a whole month leading up to a food truck festival. Probably. Maybe. I'll still eat junk. I really like junk. I even did an outfit of the day video. You'll see that. Actually, I'll put it here. I gave myself a cue.
Hi.
Hi.
What did you think of my outfit? Wasn't I radiating glamour and elegance and sensual seductivity? Seductive. So I will see you guys when I get to the festival. Bye. Out of here. Trying to make me sneeze. I feel it coming. I'm gonna die. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, Kevin. It's gonna get stuck in my hair. We all look like a mess. I wish I was dressed like some of these people. They're so comfortable.
You look comfortable. Thank you.
Comfortable and cute. That's just what I go for, babe. I'm gonna walk. I changed my mind. Can we go?
No.
There we go. I feel like I do that in every video where we have to do any minor amount of physical labor. Oregon.
Ow.
Oops. I want to go home. A little thirsty. You know, us Proctors weren't made for this. Walking outside. Not shade. Sunny out here, Candace. We're gonna die out here. And when I fall in the middle of the road, I'm gonna call out your name when I hit the ground, so they know that I know you. And I'm gonna come up to you.
Walking. I'll be like, I don't know what Candace is talking about.
They're gonna go, ma'am, you can't leave this black garbage bag in the middle of the street. You gotta take it, throw it away.
No.
There's underwear.
Sasha, no.
There's so much of the pollen on them. Can you imagine if the wind kicked that up and then you have it touch your face?
Ew. It got in your mouth as you were screaming.
It would. That would be my luck.
Yep.
Nope.
You ready to eat?
Yes, always, always. Those are my favorite words.
Ready?
My favorite 5 words. I'm ready. Ready to do this. If you would have asked me that instead of like, will you marry me? I would.
What?
Huh? We would have been married that same day. You ready to eat? Yes, yes, 1,000 times, yes. Yes. Yes.
All right, I love you.
I love you too.
I don't know why I'm saying it like a bye. Would you like to say anything else before?
Pray that I eat a lot and not just one thing and then full for the rest of my life.
Okay.
Okay.
You look very cute.
Thanks. I'm glad it.
What's what over where?
Yeah. Is that more Michigan?
Yes.
What bridge is that?
Yes. Is that Michigan or is that Canada, love?
Yes, that lady. Is that a weird question to ask? She's got the Mr. Chance.
We can figure it out later.
Hey! Are you more Michigan or Canada?
You!
Hey, you! Me? Is that Michigan? No! What? Oh, there's another one of those heart food trucks. They sell hearts.
I'm pretty sure that's the EMT.
It's pronounced impt. They sell hearts.
Ah.
That's hot. That's really hot.
You're supposed to try it together. You like it, don't you?
Maybe.
And here you were complaining.
The syrup. Is that okay? There's just no cute way to eat this.
You gotta do that again. Found
Deep fried cookie dough.
Oh,
It smells so good. All right, this is where we are. That's good. That's good. Sorry you had to come here and eat that at a festival. Past that over there, there's more food trucks this way. Ow. Sip. I could just sit down and drink this all day.
that looks really good, love.
Getting one. I don't know, keep it. I wonder if it's refillable. I drink more water. If I can reuse that, I would drink more water.
I want that big dog to be the small one that looks like it. Yeah.
So, what does it taste like?
Stomach hurts for some reason.
Hawaiian punch.
Like I need to sit down.
Hawaiian punch?
It's so good.
I think my back just hurts.
You're so cute. Where are you at?
I'm at Coffee Recipe. Candace got a pill mug. This is Coffee Rescue.
Yeah.
This is probably the only mug I'll actually allow her to buy. And I got an IV pouch.
water out of this all the time.
That was pretty cool. I got distracted.
That's okay.
You want to go
Where's Katie? Katie Dan probably.
This is really cool. I didn't get this part. I usually like how Diana Ross's look.
How's your day been?
She's touching me. Today's been awesome. I'm so full of drink and I need more drink.
I need some alcohol.
Thank you.
I just need the love and appreciation of my friends, and that sustains me.
You won't get any of that from me. Oh, hey now. She's holding my parasol for me. So I feel pretty special.
I'm taking it home with me.
I'll chop you in your throat.
You all look very, very gorgeous today.
She looks gorgeous too. You can't see her. But she looks really gorgeous.
Yeah. I was gonna do one of these, and I just almost knocked my glasses off. So like, it's fine.
That's my wife, you guys.
So, can you tell me what was your first impression of Sasha?
Oh, there's that. Okay.
So funny. For a really long time, I didn't know which one she was because we referred to you guys exclusively as Sasha and Candace. So it took me a while to know which one was which. Sasha has a very big personality.
She's also black.
That too.
So, when she
Oh,
started
wait.
working there?
Huh?
When she started working there?
Let's preface this by saying
She is
I worked
crazy.
at Torrid.
She was crazy. Yeah.
I was her
I
boss.
loved walking. I loved walking. Working with Sasha. It was never a boring moment. Never.
Everyone else had fun with Sasha. Everyone else always got the fun Sasha stories. We got a shoplifter, and also
Yeah.
Sasha had to. I had to try keeping Sasha from killing our more obnoxious coworkers.
So tell me a fun story that you have of her. What's your fondest memory working with her?
My favorite one isn't my work story though.
Paris.
Yeah, the one where the lights went out.
Tell me about it.
And you were, when the power went out and it was dark in there and Sasha was hiding behind things you can't see me, it's black
I
and
was
I'm
trying
black.
to hide from people who were coming up to the door. So I ducked behind a clothing rack, but I had my afro, so my hair is sticking up 10 feet above the clothing, so they could still see my hair.
You guys, I'm getting so much potty shot with you in there.
This is real. This
Oh
is
wait,
me.
wait, and the baguette story.
Alright, tell me about the
Because our boss sent Sasha to Panera and said, I want a bowl of soup with a baguette, because they ask you what side that you want and they offer you a side piece of baguette.
Uh-huh.
Sasha came back with the whole ass loaf of bread.
That sounds like my wife.
I was proud.
Yeah, because you got to keep the loaf of bread.
No, I didn't even know. I was like, wow, this is a lot of bread. I can't believe our boss wants this. I was proud, I got your bread. And she's like, did you get the whole store? I'm like, this is the side. This is what you wanted. She's like, no, this piece is supposed to be this big. And I'm like, oh.
You got the whole ass loaf, and then she sent it home with you.
It was really well eaten.
I'm sure.
She's let me keep every mistake I've ever made.
Did you just start making them on purpose after that?
No, I'm just in there as innocent as ever. I'm being good. I'm helping my boss. And I've messed up every time.
Almost every time she sent me to do something, I've messed up. And she still sends me. And I think she just does it because she's desperate and hungry. Like, oh, God, I really want a lunch.
Or she's just looking forward to what's gonna happen.
Sasha doesn't take anyone's nonsense either, so that's always fun.
Oh my gosh, the crap talking.
What? Me?
I used to like working with Sasha when I had to work with like some of my less favorable coworkers because Sasha would put them in their place. I could just sit there and be like, yes.
Me? I was snarky.
Not at all.
Let us know. Good or bad.
I was as sweet as they come. Sure.
We
I wonder
only-
if any of those people are watching this. Like, was it me? Am I the? Yes, it was you. You. Step up your game. You need to fold shirts better and faster.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Where are you now?
That's my bar.
I am at a pagan festival. I've never been to one. I've got a nice little handful of friends that are pagan, so I've never been to one. I got this and I got these earrings. So fancy. But I love it. I love this. This is awesome. This wasn't even part of our day. We were supposed to just stay at the food truck festival all day, and ended up getting really full. Couldn't eat anymore. I'm gonna be so sad when I get home because the minute I step foot into that house, I'm gonna be hungry. And I'm gonna open my fridge and eat my leftover Taco Bell from last week.
Oh my God.
Because I don't have standards.
Yeah, no.
I survived. I've survived my bad standards. So we're gonna go do some more shopping. Candace got a dream catcher, but I'm not gonna show you out here because I don't want to drop it because I feel like I'm gonna drop it. I don't have the heart to mess it up. So, but there's a lot. It's really cool out here. It's nice.
Oh, you're so gorgeous. Are you having fun?
I'm having fun.
You want to talk about it?
I don't want you to talk about it. There is a vendor here that sells bone jewelry. It's so cool. I have to get some. I have to. But Candace already bought me a lot of cool stuff. So we did some more wandering around. It's really nice here. It's nice and quiet. Like, it's really different than the food truck festival. So it's just like really nice and quiet and calm and indoors. That's my favorite part. Indoors. Away from that. And big on Skyfire. It's so bright. And here we have a lovely gaze booth. Some people call it a gazebo. I need to stop calling it that because I'm gonna start messing it up. Like my foot, wrist, and my arm, ankle. So everyone is digging my new hairpiece. You know.
And your hair.
It is so tiring being this inspiring. I'm gonna coin that. I should have it pop up down here. Tiring to be this inspiring. Yeah, watch me do that when I edit it. It's gonna be so cool. You'll be like, wow.
Only if you would have done that in the middle of the screen.
Tiring to be this inspiring. It'll pop up. You'll see it. You'll see. It'll come up. Like my finger guns? Are you seduced?
No.
Oh. Well, it's a good thing I'm married. I don't have to worry about being seductive. We're gonna stop at White Castle. I'm so excited. White Castle is my reason for being. My reason for existing. So we're going to go grab food because now that we left the food truck festival, we're hungry. I've been thirsty since the dawn of time. I do a lot of mouth breathing, and I think I was heavy breathing while we were there because I was so excited. All right, everyone, we're gonna go home and unwind from the hustle and bustle of the day. It's never a dull moment with us. What? You know, thank you so much for spending the day with me. I hope you had a great time. I know I did. Being inspiring and all, and alluring and stuff. Wow. Oh, wow. Catch you in the next one. Stay sassy.